In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix allow access to photos missing on iPhone app asking for photo access, but the permission prompt never appears. This frustrating bug has a simple fix. This is one of those iOS bugs that drives people crazy. An app needs access to your photos, but the permission dialog never shows up. Don't worry, there are several ways to fix this manually. First, let's check the app's current permissions. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Photos, and look for the app in question. If it's not listed there at all, that's usually the problem. The app hasn't properly requested permissions. Try this fix, delete and reinstall the problematic app. This forces iOS to re-register the app and should trigger the permission dialog when you first open it. Make sure to back up any important app data first. If reinstalling doesn't work, try this trick. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset, then Reset Privacy and Security. This resets all app permissions to default, so every app will ask for permissions again when you use them. Sometimes the issue is with iOS itself. Restart your iPhone by holding power and volume down until you see slide to power off. A fresh restart often resolves permission-related glitches. Here's a manual workaround. In Settings, Privacy and Security, Photos, tap Add App if you see it. This lets you manually grant photo access to apps that should have requested it automatically. To prevent this in the future, always pay attention to permission dialogues when installing new apps. If you accidentally deny photo access, you can always change it later in Settings, but it's easier to get it right the first time. Thanks for watching.